Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I want to invite our chairman. Please, I want to crave our indulgence. Please, let's put our hands together as I invite our chairman for today, Dr. Shuaib Belgore. Please, let's put our hands together as I comes forward. Thank you, sir.
Hey.
The parents of the bride, particularly Sheikh Abdullahi Olon Kemiara Demia Lubaraka, parents of the grooms, the three couples seated here, then Ian Gary of Ilori, my own brother, Mr. Raimo, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to welcome you here. We're here today as a final step. For the past 5 days, we have been celebrating these three couples. We have been celebrating Hayrat and Abdulaziz, Kauthar and Abubakar, Rafiat and Abdul Hafiz. There's been a lot of prayer for them. There's been a lot of advice for them. There no doubt will be so many more as we go on. But I have no doubt that both the grooms and the brides are very well raised, and those advices will meet very welcoming ears. So, while we are here today, this is the reception, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all and to say, let us enjoy ourselves. We've been eating, we've been having some drinks, we've been saying hello to friends. Let's enjoy ourselves thoroughly. Let's have fun. We all saw when they were dancing in. There's a lot of celebration, there's a lot of enjoyment, there's a lot of joy in there. So let's not leave them alone to do it. Let's all do it with them. While saying all this, I pray for a happy married life in comfort, happiness, and joy for you. And I also want to say thank you very much. Salamu alaikum.
Don't walk it, don't try. You supposed to be try.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I think our chairman deserves a round of applause. Please, can we put our hands together for our chairman? Thank you very much. I know if nobody clap, mommy will clap where she's seated. I'm sure she will clap for her husband. Up next, we're going to the cutting of the cake.